How to set up donations on Twitch. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to set up donations on Twitch so your viewers can support you easily. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. There are several ways to accept donations on Twitch, including PayPal, third-party platforms, and Twitch Bits. One of the simplest methods is PayPal. To set this up, create a paypal.me link and add it to your Twitch bio or panel so viewers can send money directly. Another popular option is using third-party services like Streamlabs or DonorBox. These platforms let you set up a custom donation page and integrate it with your Twitch stream for easy access. You can also use Twitch Bits and Cheers, which is Twitch's built-in donation system. Viewers can buy bits and send them in chat as a way to support your channel. To enable this, go to your Twitch creator dashboard, navigate to Affiliate or Partner Settings, and turn on Bits and Cheering. Once you've set up your donation method, be sure to add the donation link to your Twitch panels and mention it in your stream so your audience knows how to support you. And that's it. Your donation setup is ready to go. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.